Jonard Tools is elevating your drilling experience to new heights by expanding our drill bit line. Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm thrilled to introduce the latest and greatest in our line of drill bits. Crafted with superior steel, these drill bits offer extended longevity even under intense drilling conditions. But what truly sets them apart is their flexibility, allowing you to access tight and hard to reach spaces with ease, enhancing precision and efficiency during your drilling tasks. Here are some standout features. Aggressive tip drills through wood, iron, steel, brass, copper, and aluminum with ease. Flexible shaft can bend while in use, perfect for drilling into difficult to reach places. Powder coated for corrosion resistance and durability. And they all feature a hole on either end for fishing wires through walls. Whether you're a professional, tradesman, or a DIYer, these drill bits are designed to deliver exceptional performance and durability with lengths ranging from 12 to 72 inches. These drill bits are available in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch diameters. So whether it's a quick household fix or a professional construction project, Jonard has you covered. Experience the next level of drilling performance with Jonard Tools high-speed steel flex drill bits. Upgrade your drilling game today. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.